In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use shapes formatting in Excel. If you want a fast, visual way to scan your numbers and spot highs, lows, and everything in between, the Shapes option inside conditional formatting is a great tool. It adds small icons directly in your cells so patterns stand out at a glance, without creating a separate chart. Start by highlighting the data you want to visualize. Click and drag across the cells, or select a column if that's where your values live. Aim to select only the cells that should display icons. If you include a header, Excel will try to treat it like data. If your list is long, use keyboard shortcuts like Shift plus arrow keys to extend the selection quickly. Shapes formatting works best with numbers, so make sure the cells you highlight contain numeric values rather than text. With the cells selected, go to the Home tab and choose Conditional Formatting. This feature tells Excel to apply visual styles automatically based on the contents of the cells you selected. It's dynamic, meaning the formatting will update if your numbers change later. From the Conditional Formatting menu, hover over icon sets. You'll see several groups, such as directional arrows, ratings, and the set we want today. Icon sets categorize your data into buckets and place a small icon in each cell, helping you compare values at a glance. Now choose the Shapes set. As soon as you click it, Excel applies the shapes to the selected cells. By default, Excel splits your values into groups, typically 3, using built-in thresholds, and displays a different shape for each group. Higher values might show one shape, middle values another, and lower values a third. You'll immediately notice how easy it becomes to spot standout numbers, trends, or areas that need attention. If the icons look cramped, try widening the column or increasing the row height so the shapes are easier to see alongside your numbers. If nothing appears, double-check that your selection contains numeric data and that the cells aren't formatted as text. Also, remember that the icons are tied to the cells you selected at the beginning. So if you add new rows outside that range later, you'll want to include them in your original selection next time. And that's it. Highlight your data, open conditional formatting, select icon sets, and pick shapes. You've just turned plain numbers into an at-a-glance visual story. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using shapes formatting to make your spreadsheets more readable and insightful.